Hello guys, welcome back to the vlog. We just got back from the beach a little while ago, so it is time to get back into a good routine. In this video, we'll be doing that by creating some dinners, recipes, lunches, breakfasts, all of the things, and also getting some movement in and preparing for going back to class. First, let's go get a little bit of sunshine in and then probably have to go to the grocery store for shopping this week. All right. Say hey to the vlog. They were very well taken care of while we were at the beach. I mean, they were super excited to get out though and run around when we got home. I have to unpack at some point too. Honestly, I think this video is going to help a lot because I've been needing to figure out some different things to eat that is not the same stuff over and over again. So who knows, there might be some new food that we try in this video. I don't know. I'm gonna go ahead and unpack though. Before we go to the store, I wanted to show that I've made this little chart thing where you've got all the different categories of foods to pick from and kind of see visually, and then just a bunch of meal ideas, which helps when you're trying to plan out what you want to eat for the week, get some ideas and stuff so you're not struggling. So I'm going to take a quick glance at this, decide on a few things, and make a plan for a couple meals this weekend. Obviously put the recipes for them in here. Just a quick tip though. Good morning, lovely people. Okay, so we're getting back into the swing of things with class. So I'm getting packed and ready to go to history and the arts classes today. So it'll be a change up from the regular nutrition classes. So those are always really refreshing, but it's kind of a dreary day today. So I'm not sure if it will rain or not, but I will go ahead and get started on going to those and then getting back and doing a lot of studying and maybe some organization, maybe laundry. It is about time for me to leave for class. I'm gonna go do that, and then we'll get on with the rest of the video. So many people here at the zoo. I had to park a mile away. I'm really excited because this is the first time that I will actually be doing a volunteer shift on my own, so pass all the evaluations. Today's gonna be a pretty full day though. I've got 3 shifts back to back, so many hours, but I'm really excited to get to talk to all of these lovely people and see the red pandas for that long.